Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a debit card for online payments. First, understand that a debit card allows you to make purchases directly from your bank account, offering a convenient and secure method for online shopping. It is essential to confirm your card displays a major network logo, such as Visa, MasterCard, or Discover, as this ensures broad acceptance across various online merchants. This direct link to your funds provides a clear overview of your spending. When making an online payment, you will need to provide a few key pieces of information from your debit card. This includes the 16-digit card number found on the front. Next, locate the expiration date, usually displayed as a 2-digit month and a 2-digit year. Finally, find the 3- or 4-digit security code, often called the CVV or CVC, typically on the back of your card near the signature strip. These details are crucial for authorizing your transaction. Now, let's talk about encoding settings. Media Encoder offers a vast library of built-in presets for various platforms and devices, from YouTube to Blu-ray. You can also dive deeper to customize every aspect, including the format, video codec, resolution, and bitrate, ensuring your output meets exact specifications. Once you have fine-tuned your settings, save them as a new custom preset. This allows for quick and consistent application across multiple projects, saving you valuable time. Protecting your financial information online is paramount. Always ensure the website address begins with https:// and displays a padlock icon, indicating a secure connection. Never disclose your personal identification number, or PIN, or your full card details through unsecured channels like email or unsolicited phone calls. Make it a habit to review your bank statements frequently for any unauthorized transactions. Promptly report any suspicious activity to your bank to safeguard your funds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.